Hi Shrutika, good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening Shrutika. Good evening Prathamesh. So today we are going to start Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to start from the beginning and one by one let us take Pythagoras theorem. 4 have been joined. So let's wait for a minute and then we can start. So today in this lecture, I'm going to start Pythagoras theorem. And you know, in all lectures, I'm going to complete Pythagoras theorem and then we are going to take PYQ. Like that we have done the previous chapter. So today is my first lecture for Pythagoras theorem. And see, in mathematics you need lot of practice. If you do practice, then only you can get the correct answer in exam. So practice make man perfect. So are you ready now? Darshan, hi and happy birthday Darshan. I have just seen it's your birthday, so happy birthday Darshan. Let us wait for a minute. And meantime all of you do like the videoला like करून टाका and then we will be starting. तर एखाद मिनिट अजून अर्धा मिनिट तरी आपण वाट पाहूया and then we can move. I think Darshan, Shrutika and Prathamesh have already joined. Those who have joined, I request you everyone to like the video. Please do like the video. आज आपण पायथागोरस थेरम महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th chapter 2nd of mathematics 2 and it's the first lecture. I think 6 of you have joined. So it's time to move towards the first sum of today and get ready with your pen, pencil and notebook and let's move towards the first sum. Hi Arnav. So let's move towards the first sum everyone. So आता continuous lectures होतील. One day, every day I will be taking lecture and we will have Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Parth is also there today, I think so. So it's a good thing. Hi everyone, good evening everyone. And please inform me whether you can see the clear picture and my voice is clear. Those who have joined, I request you, please reply fast so that we can. Please tell me. Fast. Okay, Shrutika, thank you. So here it is, question number 1 of practice set 2.1. So आज आपण practice set 2.1 चे सगळे questions करणार आहोत. Hi Lakshmi. And here we will start with the first one. See here, identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplets. So in Pythagorean triplet, we have to identify whether this given triplet is a Pythagorean triplet or not. So इथे आपण find out करणार आहोत whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. So let us see. First three numbers 3, 5, 4. First of all, find out which is the largest number. So 3, 5, 4, which is the largest, that is 4. Number 4 is the largest number. So let us take square of the largest number. So what is the square of largest number? That is 5 square. It is 25. Let us put it number 1. Now let us take sum of square of remaining two numbers. Yes, Shrutika, absolutely correct. So sum of square of remaining two numbers. So which are the remaining two numbers? It is 3 and 4. So we have to take square of 3 and square of 4. So what is the square of 3? It is 9 and square of 4 it is 16 and 9 plus 16 it is 25. So looking at 1 and 2 you can understand. Yes, Shrutika, absolutely correct. So looking at number 1, and 3, it is 25, 25, both are equal. So from 1 and 2, we can write 5 square is equals to 5 square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square from 1 and 2. And if both these are equal, then by converse of Pythagoras theorem, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, 3, 5, 4 is a Pythagorean triplet. Please tell me, did everybody of you understood, those who have joined, and whether the picture is clear or not? Both the answers give me fast so that we can move forward. I think everybody should write with me because you need lot of practice. So have you completed? I want replies from you people. Okay, Arnav, very good. Shrutika, very good, Shrutika. And Prathamesh has done. It's very good sign that Prathamesh and Darshan. So if you have done, okay, Parth, you can complete fast, and those who have joined, please do like it. And let's move to the next sum now. Parth, do fast. So here we are on the second sum. Here 3 numbers are there, and again we have to find out whether the given triplet is Pythagorean triplet or not. So which is the triplet? You can see here, that is 4, 9 and 12. So in this, let us find out whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. So which is the biggest number? The biggest number or largest number is 12. So let us take square of the largest number. So let us write square of the largest number. So which is the largest number? 12. So 12 square, it is 144. Let us write it number 1. Okay, very good, Shrutika. And now let us take sum of square of remaining 2 sides. Sum of square of remaining 2 sides. So which are the remaining 2 sides, or which are the remaining 2 numbers? They are 4 and 9. So square of 4 and square of 9. So 4 square is 16 and 9 square is 81. 8 plus 6, that is 7. Sorry, 1 plus 6, that is 7. 8 plus 1, that is 91. Now looking at 1 and 2, you can see the right hand sides are not equal. Correct, absolutely correct, Parth. So here right hand sides are not equal, therefore left hand sides will not be equal. Therefore 12 square is not equals to 4 square plus 9 square from 1 and 2. Therefore by converse of Pythagoras theorem, what we can say? That 4, 9, 12 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Please reply me, those who have joined. Yes, Shrutika, you're absolutely correct, and others also reply, those who have joined, so that I will be knowing that you are concentrating. Please reply me fast. Did you understood? These two are not equal. Here it is 144, here it is 97. So if they are not equal, then by converse of Pythagoras theorem, it is not a Pythagorean triplet. Please reply me fast. I'm not getting reply. Fast reply. Okay, Prathamesh, very good. Rest of you also reply fast. I got 2 replies only, Shrutika and Prathamesh. Others, please reply fast. Fast, fast. Okay, Arnav, and okay, Parth. So I think I got 4 replies, and Darshan, fifth reply it is. So good, 5 of you has given me correct answer. So let us move to the next question now. It's sufficient for me that you are answering. Good sign. And now let's move to the third one. So which is the third question, that is 5, 12, 13. So here three numbers are there. Let me see which is the largest number. The largest number is 13. So let us take square of the largest number. First of all, square of the largest number. So what is that? 13 square, it is 169. Okay, so this is my number 1. Yes, correct, Darshan. Oh, sorry, correct part. So see now. Now let us take sum of square of remaining two numbers. Sum of square of remaining two numbers. So which are the remaining two numbers? Let me know. The two numbers are 5 and 12. So 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. So it is 169. So this is my number 2. Now look at 1 and 2. Both are equal. 169, 169. Therefore from 1 and 2 we can say 13 square is equals to 5 square plus 2 square from 1 and 2. If it is equal, yes, absolutely correct, Shrutika. Then by converse of Pythagoras theorem, 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. See here, I am giving you the most standard way of writing this question, and this question is one of the important question for your board exam. So everybody is following the proper steps. I expect everyone is following it, and please reply me fast so that I will be knowing that you have done this sum and we can move forward. Yes, I got answer of only one. Rest of you, please answer me fast. Everybody do fast answer. Yes, Prathamesh, very good. Let me see. Yes, Parth, very good. So, Shrutika, Prathamesh, and Parth are really active. They are giving fast answer. And now Aranav also, and Darshan is always giving. So, it's very good. Always you five are giving answer today. And let's move to the next question. I think you five are very, very concentrating. And now Lakshmi and Naren has also answered. It's very good, Naren and Lakshmi. So you are also concentrating. So let's see towards the next sum. And it is again the three numbers. And we have to check out whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. So let's see which are the number, that is 24, 70 and 74. So which is the largest number, that is 74. So let us take the square of the largest number. Okay, square of the largest number. And which is the largest number? That is 74 square. Now let me know who is going to give me answer of 74 square. Let us see who is giving first answer of 74. So I got answer from Shrutika. It is 5476 and it's absolutely correct. 5476. 5476 is the square of 74. So this is my number 1. Okay, Arnav. Now see, we will take sum of square of remaining two numbers. Sum of square of remaining two numbers So which are the two numbers? Yes, Arna? Okay, I got answer from Parth also. It's good sign. Parth has given answer of 70 square. So 24 square plus 70 square. What is the square of 24? It is 576. And 70 it is 4900. So let us add it. 0 plus 6 6. 7 plus 0 7. 9 plus 5 it is 4 and 4 plus 1 5. Can you see 1 and 2 numbers are equal? 5476. Yes or no? And yes, Parth, absolutely. Both these are equal. Therefore, what we can write? 74 square is equals to 24 square plus 70 square from 1 and 2. And if it is equal, then by converse of Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? 24, 70 and 74 is a Pythagorean triplet. So did everybody of you understood? Yes, Shrutika, your answer is correct. Rest of you also give me fast answers so that we can move forward. Fast answers, everyone. Shrutika has given answer. Rest of you give, those who have joined. Yes, Shrutika, it is a Pythagorean triplet. You are absolutely correct. Others, Prathamesh has given answer. Yes, rest give fast answer so that we can move forward. Did everybody of you understood? Darshan, Prathamesh and Parth has given answer. So 4 of you have given answers. So I feel that we should move forward. And here is Arnav also. So now let's move to the next question. So now you can see on the screen 5th question, and here also we are going to find out whether this given triplet is a Pythagorean triplet or not. So among this number 10, 24 and 27, which is the largest number? That is 27. So let us take the square of the largest number. Square of the largest number. So which is the largest number? That is 27 square. Can you tell me the square of 27? Please reply me fast. Can you tell the square of 27? Yes. Yes, absolutely correct, Parth. It is 729. Your answer is absolutely correct. 729. And that is number 1. Now let us take sum of remaining two numbers. Sum of square of remaining two numbers. So which are these two numbers? That is 10 square and 24 square. So what is 10 square? It is 100 and 24 it is 576. So if I will add 576 plus 100, that is 676. Can you see both numbers of 1 and 2 are different now? Please tell me. It is 676 and it is 729. So numbers are not equal. So what we can write? Yes, Arnav, Shrutika. Yes, correct. So what we can write? 27 square is not equals to 10 square plus 24 square. And therefore, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, yes, what is by converse of Pythagorean theorem? 10, 24 and 27 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Did everybody of you understood this question or you have any questions? Anav, you have given correct answer as well as Shrutika, your answer is correct. Rest of you, those who have joined, please reply so that I will be knowing you are concentrating. First reply everyone, all of you. Okay, Darshan. Okay, Prathamesh. So Prathamesh, Shrutika, Darshan, your answers are there. Others also, those who have joined, please reply me fast so that we can go towards the question number 2, which is more interesting now. So I think you have given answers. So let us move to the next question. Okay, Parth, so you are also concentrating. So one more question is there. And then we are going towards the question number 2. Here three numbers are there, 1160 and 61. So, which is the largest number? That is 61. So, let us take square of the largest number. Square of the largest number. See, I want likes from you. There are very few likes. So, everybody, those who have joined, please do like. So 61 square. I got already answer from Parth. And what is that 61 square is there? Rest of you also tell whether this answer is correct or wrong. Arnav has given. So it is 61 square. It is 3721. Yes, Shrutika, it is correct. 3721. So that is number 1. Now let us take sum of square of remaining two sides. Sum of square of remaining two numbers. So which are the two numbers? I request everyone, those who have joined, do like the video. So 11 square plus 60 square. What is the square of 11? 121. And 60, it is 3600. If I will do total, it is 37121. Okay. So what is the total? 3721. So both the sides it is equal. 1 and 2 are equal. Therefore we can write 61 square is equals to 11 square plus 60 square from 1 and 2. And if both are equal, then by converse of Pythagoras theorem, therefore by converse of Pythagoras theorem, what we can say? 11, 60, 61 is a Pythagorean triplet. So did everybody of you understood, those who have joined? And I request you everyone, so do like video. I want more likes now. So please reply me fast and do like the video. I got only answer from Arnav, Shrutika, Darshan, Prathamesh. Very good, Prathamesh. Darshan, Shrutika. Rest of you also give answers so that we move forward. Please reply me fast, everyone. I think you have only replied. Okay, now Parth has also replied. It's a very good sign. So let's move to the next question. That is question number 2. So good, Naren. I got answer from you. It's very good sign. You are concentrating. And those who have not yet liked the video, please like it. And we are on now question number 2. So what is there in question number 2? In the figure, angle MNP is 90 degree. You can see this angle is 90 degree. And segment NQ is perpendicular to segment MP. You can see. Then MQ is given. How much it is given? 9. And QP is given, that is 4. And what is asked? That is NQ. So here we are going to use the important thing. I think you all know, that is property of geometric mean. So which property here I am going to use? That is property of geometric mean. And how I am going to use this property? This is a right angle triangle. So solution in right angle triangle, which is right angle triangle MNP. What is given? That segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. Segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. It is given. सगळ्यांनी एक गोष्ट क्लिअर कट लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की जेव्हा पण एक राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल असतो आणि त्याच्या 90 डिग्रीच्या वर्टॅक्सवरून हायपोटेनसवरती आपण परपॅन्डिक्युलर काढतो, मीन्स एन क्यू विच इज फ्रॉम द वर्टॅक्स ऑफ 90 डिग्री. ह्या 90 डिग्री वर्टॅक्सपासून आपण जेव्हा हायपोटेनसवरती परपॅन्डिक्युलर काढतो तर हायपोटेनसचे 2 पार्ट्स होतात. पहा, हायपोटेनस एम पीचे 2 पार्ट्स झालेत, एम क्यू अँड पी क्यू. तर ह्या 2 पार्ट्सची प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे मल्टिप्लिकेशन हे जे एन क्यूच्या स्क्वेअर इतकं असतं. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट जॉमेट्रिक मीन प्रॉपर्टी? धिस एन क्यू square, this NQ square is equals to MQ into PQ. MQ into PQ. And which property we have used? By property of geometric mean. So when we can use this property of geometric mean? Yes, Shrutika, you gave correct answer. Whenever we have right angle triangle and from 90 degree vertex, if we draw perpendicular on hypotenuse, then we can use this property of geometric mean. Now let us put the value. MQ is 9 and PQ is 4. 9 4s are 36. So what is NQ square? That is 36. Now taking square root at both the side. Taking square root at both the sides. So NQ square will become NQ and 36 is a square of 6. So what is the answer? NQ is 6 unit. Did everyone of you understood? Yes, Shrutika, your answer is correct. And rest of you also give me fast answers so that we can move forward. Please reply me fast. Okay, Arnav, very good Arnav that you are concentrating. Others also do fast reply. And those who have joined, do like the video. Did everybody? Shall I move forward now? Please reply me fast. Okay, Prathamesh and Arnav has said yes. So I think we should move forward. See the next question, everyone. Okay, everyone. So shall we move to the next question now? Can you see on the screen next question? See, I want answers from you. Can you see on screen next question? So let's see this question number 3. So in the figure, angle QPR is 90 degree and this you can see QPR is 90 degree, and what is told that segment PM is perpendicular to segment QR such that Q dash M dash R. Then PM is 10 and QM is 8. Then QR is asked. Again, this is a right angle triangle. So which type of triangle it is? Right angle triangle. Which right angle triangle it is? It is QPR. So in right angle triangle QPR, angle P is 90 degree, and from 90 degree vertex, if we draw hypotenuse, if we draw perpendicular on hypotenuse, then we can use geometric mean property. So let us use geometric mean property. What is given? Segment PM is perpendicular on hypotenuse QR. It is given. So what you can write? Please reply me everyone. I want replies from you. Everyone do reply. Prathamesh has given me answer. Rest of you also give answer. Okay, Pranjal. Very good, Pranjal. As you have replied, it's a good sign that you are concentrating. Now see, in right angle triangle QPR, angle P is 90 degree and segment PM is perpendicular to hypotenuse QR. So we are going to use geometric mean property. And what does it says? PM square, this perpendicular PM square is equals to QM into RM. So which property we have used? By property of geometric mean. Okay, everyone. So let us put values. What is PM? It is 10 square. What is QM? It is 8 into RM. So what is 10 square? It is 100. So what will be RM? That is 100 upon 8. Okay, everyone. Do everyone reply? Let us see. All must reply me. So 2 4s are 250. 2 2s are 225. And now let us divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. And 10 will be 2 5s are. So what is RP? RM is 12.5. And what is the question? That is QR. So what is QR? It is QM plus MR. Okay, everyone. Okay, Parth has given me answer. Pranjal has given me answer. I want answers from others also. So let us find out QR now. So QR is equals to QM plus MR. So what is QR? What is the reason you are writing? That is Q dash M dash R. Already it is given in QM is 8 and MR is 12.5. So it is 20.5. So what is my final answer? QR is 20.5 unit. Did everybody of you understood? You have any questions? Then you can ask. Parth has given me answer. It's very good sign. Pranjal has given answer. Rest of you also give answer. It will be better that I can move forward then. So I'm going to take one more sum, as we have to finish Pythagoras theorem also as much early as possible. I got answer from Pranjal. Others, why you are not giving answer? Prathamesh, Pranjal, Naren has given answer. So I think we should move forward now. Shall we move forward? So let's move forward. Rest of them are not giving answers, it seems. I don't know why. So let's move to the question number 4. And question number 4, you have to see the figure. Find RP. What we are going to find? RP we are going to find, and PS. And by using the information which is given in triangle PSR. So look at the triangle. It is a special triangle. When you look at this triangle, it is a special triangle. And this triangle is having S angle 90 degree and P angle is 30 degree. So let us find out angle R. So let's take solution. First of all, let us see this triangle. So in triangle, which is that triangle? PSR. Angle P plus angle S plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason? Sum of all angles of a triangle. So let us put the value. Angle P is 30 degree. Angle S is 90 degree plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. So 30 plus 90, how much it is? 30 plus 90, it is 120. So let us find angle R. 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. So what is angle R? It is 60 degree. So this is a special triangle. This, yes Pranjal, your answer is correct. So this is a special triangle, that is 30-60 degree, 30-60-90 degree triangle. Therefore, triangle PSR is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So if this triangle is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, then we can use theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. And what does this theorem says? 30 degree opposite side. So 30 degree is here. So which is the opposite side? That is RS is half of the hypotenuse. So from 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem, 30 degree opposite side is half of hypotenuse. Okay everyone. So what is 30 degree opposite side? That is SR. SR is equals to half, and which is the hypotenuse? PR. So what do we will write here? 30 degree opposite side. So what is SR? SR is given 6 is equals to half PR. Therefore this 2 will go here. So PR will be 6 2s are 12. Therefore PR is equals to 12. So what is first answer I got? PR 12. That is answer 1. Now we are to find next, that is PS. What we are going to find? PS. And PS is 60 degree opposite side. So 60 degree opposite side is under root 3 upon 2 times hypotenuse. So what we will write? 60 degree opposite side is under root 3 upon 2 times hypotenuse. Okay, from 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. So which is the 60 degree opposite side? That is SP. That is under root 3 upon 2 times hypotenuse, it is PR. Okay, which theorem we have used? 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. Okay everyone. Now let us find out SP under root 3 upon 2 and PR is 12. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 under root 3. So this is my answer 2. Thus we use today 30, 60, 90 degree triangle to find out PR and SP. And what is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem? That 30 degree opposite side is half of hypotenuse and 60 degree opposite side is under root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. Now tell me, those who have joined, did you understood today's topic clearly? You have understood? Then please reply me fast so that I will be knowing whether you are concentrating or not. So did you understood everyone? Please reply me fast everyone. Okay, I got answer from Prathamesh, I got answer from Naren, I got from Pranjal. So bye everyone. Bye. Have a nice day. Take care everyone. Bye everyone. Bye.